YouTube once again. I'm making another video to show somebody out there about the container. You wanted to see a container that I put the sensor in, that it doesn't touch the bottom. Well, here's a clear container. You can see the ice in here, and it's not floating ice. I got ice all the way to the bottom. You were thinking I didn't have the ice just all the way to the bottom. Well, the ice is all the way to the bottom here. And you say that if the thermometer touches the side or the bottom, it would be warmer. Now, it's not the ice bath. You're saying it's the ice bath is not right. This is a correct ice bath. I said I didn't have an ice chopper. Well, I tried to smash up the ice cubes the best I could. And here I have the sensor thing not touching the bottom. And somebody else was saying that I was jerking it around. Well, it's sitting here still. Now, if you look where the sensor is, I told you the ice and water is 36 degrees. You have to calibrate it to 36 degrees and not 32 degrees, which is solid ice. Well, you were saying I didn't have the proper ice bath. This is the proper ice bath. It's not the ice bath that's the issue. It's what you're calibrating the thermometer to. And here I have the thermometer in the middle. I'll show you how far this is in. If you look carefully here now, see, here's the length of the glass. The length of the glass is to here. Now I'll put this in. That's the bottom. I'd have to put this in, so I'll put it in just to this point here. And put it in right to that point. It's in the middle of the ice. It's not touching the bottom, not touching the side. That's this thermometer here. See, now I'm holding it steady. And it levels out at 36. And I'm not touching the side or the bottom. That's this thermometer. The Accurite. Then I have this other one here, this X-Tech thermometer. That one there. Now I'll take this one out, and I'll show you how far in I got this one. This sensor here, it only goes down this far. That's how long it is. If I put it here, so it's only going down this much. It's in the middle. And as you can see, here, right in the middle, the ice is all the way to the bottom. And there it is. So it's not the ice bath. Whoever's telling me the ice bath is not right, you can see I got ice all the way down here. The other container was green. You couldn't see the bottom. I purposely did another container so you could see that I got ice all the way down. And I got the thing right in the center. It's not touching here or down the bottom. It's right in the center part of this. And you can see I got 36 degrees there. And that's what this one was. And that's what all these other thermometers that I have here. But I even showed the Taylor thermometer, the old Taylor thermometer that I have that's here from the 1960s. I had this one in the ice water, and this one was reading 36 degrees in the ice water too. And I've shown another video before that when I had solid ice, I had 32 degrees when I had frozen this in here. I put it in the freezer and froze it in. And then I took it out and waited a little bit, and it's showing 32 degrees when it was frozen, when there was no water in here. Now that's how it works. So it's not the ice bath, it's what you people are calibrating it to. I have other things to document too, as far as food preparation, as far as refrigeration, like when I store milk in my refrigerator. And when I store milk in my refrigerator, I have to keep it at 40 degrees. And if it's warmer than 40 degrees, then the thing spoils in 7 days. If you keep milk at 40 degrees, it will last for 21 days. Now, with a properly calibrated thermometer like I've done, and I've calibrated the temperature to 36 degrees, adjusted my refrigerator to 40 degrees, and my milk was lasting the length of time that the milk carton was saying it's supposed to last. If I calibrated it to your reading, I had another thermometer that was reading lower, and then I had the icebox adjusted to 40 degrees, thinking that the icebox was 40 degrees, and I found that my milk was spoiling in 7 days, proving that the temperature was not 40 degrees, that it was actually 44 or 45 degrees. And when I calibrated my ice and water like this, my product that was in my icebox lasted the length of time as if that it was the correct temperature. So I know this is the correct temperature. And that's all that I need to show that. Okay.